You're staring at your screen. 20 tabs open, 40 things on your list, 4 hours until the day ends. And your brain is just screaming. You tell yourself you'll get it together tomorrow, plan better, wake up earlier, finally become that version of you that has it all figured out. But tomorrow comes, and it's the same chaos, same overwhelm, same quiet voice asking, why can't I just get my life together? See, you're opening 10 tabs, but finishing nothing, saying yes to everyone but yourself, planning next week while today falls apart. You feel busy, you feel productive, but when you look back at the day, nothing meaningful moved forward. And it's not confusion anymore, it's frustration, then exhaustion, then that quiet defeat you don't talk about. Here's what nobody tells you. You're not failing, you just don't have a system. The enemy isn't laziness, it's living reactively, responding instead of designing, switching tasks every 3 minutes because your attention has no anchor, mistaking motion for progress. You have time, you just don't have control over it. But here's what changes everything. 2026 doesn't need you to work harder, it needs you to work with intention. And that starts with 7 habits that don't add to your chaos, they cut through it. Habit 1, design your day. Most people let the day happen to them. Notifications decide what's urgent. Other people's requests become your priority. You react, you respond, you survive. Stop surviving, start designing. Every morning before the world wakes up, decide what matters. Not 20 things, one thing. Your anchor task, the non-negotiable, the thing that if you finish nothing else, this alone moves you forward. Because here's the psychology. Decision fatigue is killing you before lunch. When you design your day the night before, you don't waste energy deciding what to do next. You already know. It's like setting the first domino. Everything else follows. Habit 2, strengthen your focus. Your attention is scattered because the world is designed to scatter it. Every app, every notification, every quick question is a hook pulling you away from what you're doing. But focus isn't natural anymore. It's a muscle. And like any muscle, you train it. Time block your day. Every hour gets a purpose before the day starts. Not rigid, just intentional. Because reactive time is wasted time. Proactive time is controlled time. And leave buffer zones. Schedule only 60 to 70% of your day. Leave 30 to 40% open. Because life happens. Rigid schedules break. Flexible systems bend. Think of it like breathing. You need space between tasks, not just to rest, to think, to process, to be human. Habit 3, take care of your body. You can't outthink a tired brain. You can't out-hustle a drained body. Rest isn't laziness. Recovery isn't weakness. Your brain needs repair time the same way your phone needs to charge. Set a digital sunset, a hard cutoff for work and screens. Maybe it's 8 p.m., maybe it's 9, but after that, offline. Because productivity isn't about working more hours, it's about working better hours. And better hours come from a rested mind. Sleep, move, eat real food, not because it's healthy, because it's strategic. Habit 4, create, don't consume. You spend your days scrolling, reading, watching, taking in endless input, but you never output. And here's the thing, consumption without creation is just noise. It fills your head, but empties your soul. Start creating. Write one paragraph, build one thing, share one idea. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't even have to be good. Because creation is how you think clearly. It's how you process what you've learned. It's how you become more than just a passive receiver of information. Even 15 minutes a day, create something, anything. Habit 5, detach from your past. You're carrying ghosts, old failures, past mistakes, things you wish you'd done differently, and they're weighing you down. But 2026 doesn't care what you didn't do in 2025. It doesn't care who you were last month. It only cares who you're becoming now. Let it go. Not because it didn't matter, but because holding on to it doesn't help. Forgive yourself for what you didn't know then, for what you couldn't do, for being human. Because you can't move forward while dragging the past behind you. Habit 6, commit to your choices. You make a decision, then you second guess it, then you wonder if you should have chosen differently. And that loop, it's exhausting. Stop living in the multiverse of what if. When you
make a choice, commit to it. Not because it's perfect, because indecision is more draining than a wrong decision. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Don't add it to the list. Don't save it for later. Clear it. Because tiny tasks create mental clutter when delayed. They pile up like dust, and eventually, they suffocate you. Clear the dust daily. Don't let it build. Habit 7. Self-reflection. At the end of each day, ask yourself 3 questions.
Nothing urgent, nothing done.
What worked today? What didn't? What will I do differently tomorrow? Not to judge yourself, not to beat yourself up, just to learn. Because the unexamined day is just another day, but the examined day, that's growth. Reflection turns experience into wisdom. It turns chaos into clarity. 5 minutes before bed, that's it. Just look back and ask, what did I learn today? Here's the truth nobody tells you. Making time for everything doesn't mean doing everything. It means doing what matters with time left to breathe. You don't need 25-hour days. You don't need to work like a machine. You need systems that respect your energy, habits that build you up instead of burning you out,